Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we will be discussing how to calculate notes payable and how we can price notes payable and calculate effective interest rate, and also how we can calculate the book value of the note for a specific period of time. So let's go straight to our practice questions. Here you can see the Coca-Cola company on December 31st, 2017, they borrow money from a consortium of banks by issuing a 900 million promissory note. And like this is a short-term obligation, right? The promissory notes, which is a notes payable. So the note measures in 4 years on December 31st, 2021 and pays 3% interest once a year on December 31st. So this is basically annual payment, 3%. The bank transferred 867.331 million to Coca-Cola. So Coca-Cola already borrowed this money from the bank. So this will be our present value, and on 2017 is our base year, and we have to calculate until 2021. And in our second part of the question, it is asked to find out the book value of the note on for 2019. So let's solve it step by step. So the first one, we have to calculate the effective interest rate. So for effective interest rate, remember we solve it in our bond pricing. This is almost the same formula here. We have like present value, and the first part is your annual payment, and one is the face value, which was the principal amount. So in our case, we have to find this R. Like in bond pricing, we had our R is given, but now we have to calculate R, and we have all the other values are given in the question. So for the present value, as we said, the Coca-Cola company, they already borrowed the amount, so 867.331, this should be our present value amount. And the coupon payment is like 3% on the face value, so our coupon payment would be like 900 million times 3%, and we got 27 million per year. So this should be our coupon payment for each of the year, and our face value is 900 million. So we just plug the values here in the equation, and if you use your financial calculator, you can easily calculate the value for R, and after the calculation you will get something like 3.999 something, which is equivalent to 4%. So now we have the value for present value, we have the value for effective interest rate and the face value. Now we can calculate easily the book value of the note for 2019. Let's go straight to our second part of the question. So the book value of the note at any time before maturity is basically the present value of the remaining cash flow, like coupons and the principal amounts, and these amounts are discounted at the effective interest rate. And now we have effective interest rate, right? We have like 4% effective interest rate here. We have face value 900 million, same as the first part of the question. We have the coupon payment 27 million, we have already calculated this part, and our time period here. So for the coupon payment due in the first year in 2022, we just have to calculate the present value of that coupon payment. So the annual payment is 27 for that year. We just plug the interest rate, and the number of years 1, and we have 2.25.96 million for year 2020. The same things for 2021. Our coupon payment should remain same, and we just change the number of years here, and we have 24.96 million. And so even if you see in our question, they are asked for like until 2019. So the principal, so our amount due in 2 years, we have like 900, and then we divide it by 2% the principal amount, and it comes to 832.11 million. And so the book value until 2019, we have like to coupon payment and the ending principal amount, and thus we have 883.03 million amount at the 2019 for the base period, and we just calculate the due amount here. I hope you understand it. So let me recap the main idea. So for the book value, you just you have to consider the remaining cash flow, and you calculate the present value of that remaining cash flow for the coupon payment, and also for the face value, the principal amount, and then just sum up the two components and you will get the book value for that year. And for this book value, you need to calculate the effective interest rate earlier. So once you have the effective interest rate, you can easily discount the amount and get your expected like book value. Thank you all. I hope it helps you a lot, but still if you have any question, feel free to reach me.